The rabbit hole is a metaphor used to describe a situation in which someone becomes deeply absorbed in a topic, activity, or chain of events that leads far beyond their original intention. The expression comes from the famous novel Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, where Alice follows a white rabbit and falls down a rabbit hole into a strange and unpredictable world. Today, the phrase is commonly used to describe experiences where curiosity or interest pulls someone from one piece of information to another until they realize they have spent much more time or effort than they originally planned. Rabbit holes can be enjoyable, educational, or even overwhelming, depending on the circumstances. In everyday life, rabbit holes often appear when people use the internet. A person might begin by searching for a simple answer to a question, but soon find themselves reading related articles, watching videos, exploring discussions, and discovering new topics connected to the original search. For example, someone who wants to learn how to bake bread may eventually end up researching the history of wheat, the chemistry of yeast, different milling techniques, and traditional baking methods from around the world. What started as a quick search becomes an extended journey driven by curiosity. This pattern is common because modern digital platforms make it easy to jump from one interesting piece of content to another. Rabbit holes are not always negative. They can encourage deep learning, creativity, and personal growth. Many researchers, inventors, artists, and writers have discovered valuable ideas by following unexpected paths of exploration. When people allow themselves to investigate subjects thoroughly, they often make surprising connections between different fields of knowledge. A student researching astronomy, for instance, might become interested in mathematics, physics, engineering, or even philosophy. These connections can broaden understanding and inspire innovative thinking. In this way, going down a rabbit hole can be an important part of lifelong learning. However, rabbit holes also have potential disadvantages. They can consume significant amounts of time and distract people from their original goals or responsibilities. Someone may intend to spend only 10 minutes reading the news, but end up browsing articles for several hours. This can reduce productivity, interfere with work or study, and even affect sleep if it happens late at night. Social media platforms, video recommendation systems, and personalized search results are designed to keep users engaged, making it easier than ever to fall into endless streams of related content without realizing how much time has passed. The concept of a rabbit hole also extends beyond online activities. Conversations, hobbies, books, documentaries, and academic research can all become rabbit holes. A casual discussion about ancient civilizations might inspire someone to read historical texts, study archaeology, learn ancient languages, and visit museums. Likewise, a person who buys a simple camera for vacation photos may become fascinated by photography techniques, editing software, lighting equipment, and visual storytelling. In these cases, the rabbit hole represents an expanding path of discovery, rather than a distraction alone. Psychologically, rabbit holes are connected to human curiosity and the brain's natural desire to solve problems and discover patterns. People often experience satisfaction when they uncover new information or answer unanswered questions. Each new discovery creates another question, encouraging further exploration. This cycle can be highly rewarding because learning activates feelings of achievement and excitement. At the same time, people should remain aware of their priorities and set boundaries when necessary. Using timers, defining clear research goals, or taking regular breaks can help prevent an enjoyable exploration from becoming an unhealthy habit. In conclusion, a rabbit hole is a powerful metaphor for becoming deeply involved in a subject or experience that expands far beyond its starting point. It reflects both the positive side of human curiosity and the potential risks of losing focus or spending excessive time on a single path of exploration. Whether encountered through the internet, books, conversations, hobbies, or professional research, rabbit holes can lead to valuable knowledge, creative insights, and unexpected opportunities when approached thoughtfully. By balancing curiosity with self-awareness and good time management, people can enjoy the benefits of exploring rabbit holes while remaining in control of where their journey ultimately leads.